The only 3 vitamins you need to increase blood flow in your legs and feet fast. Once you pass 60, there's a shift happening deep inside your legs that most people never notice until it becomes impossible to ignore. The tiny blood vessels that used to deliver oxygen to your calves, thighs, and feet begin to stiffen, and your muscles slowly lose the fuel they need to stay strong. What's striking is that researchers at the Framingham Heart Study found that poor micronutrient intake was directly linked to weaker peripheral circulation in older adults, meaning your legs don't just slow down because of age, they slow down because vital vitamins aren't reaching them in the amounts they truly need. And that is exactly why the right vitamins become more than nutrients, they become the difference between legs that stay alive and responsive, and legs that fade year after year. But here's the part that surprises most seniors. Optimizing circulation isn't only about taking a capsule the right way or choosing the right dosage, it's also about knowing how to bring these vitamins into your daily routine through familiar American foods, things you already keep in your pantry, things you can transform with a spoonful here, a half cup there, things that quietly rebuild blood flow from the inside out. And when you understand the exact timing, the kitchen tricks, and the overlooked food combinations that unlock their full power, that's when your legs finally feel warm again, steady again, capable again. Yet the most fascinating part is that each vitamin works differently. Some open blood vessels, some repair their walls, and some rebuild the very fibers that allow you to stand, walk, and climb without fear. I'll show you how they work, how to use them, and how to get them from foods you already know, but not in the way you think. For now, if you're watching this from Florida, California, Texas, or anywhere else across the country, drop a quick comment so I know where you're tuning in from. I want to tailor the next videos to where you live, because habits and food availability change state to state. Now get ready. Because the first vitamin on this list is one most people overlook, yet it holds the power to reopen the highways inside your legs. You'll see exactly which one it is in just a moment. 1. Niacin, vitamin B3. Most people over 60 don't realize that one of the earliest signs of aging in the legs isn't weakness itself, it's the slow collapse of the tiny capillaries that carry oxygen into your muscles. And the interesting thing is that niacin, or vitamin B3, is one of the very few vitamins known to physically expand these vessels. This happens because niacin increases prostaglandin activity, which encourages blood vessels in the legs and feet to widen and let more warm, oxygen-rich blood through. That's why many seniors notice a gentle rush of heat on their skin after taking it. Contrary to what people assume, that warmth is not a bad reaction. It's actually a visual sign that circulation to the limbs is opening back up. Scientists at the National Institutes of Health documented that niacin intake helps elevate NAD, a molecule that powers energy production inside muscle cells, showing that older adults can support muscle repair simply by maintaining B3 levels. If you're thinking about supplements, many over-the-counter options give around 10 to 20 milligrams per day, a range commonly chosen for routine wellness. But American kitchens already contain excellent niacin sources, and they're more powerful than most people assume. A 4-ounce serving of wild salmon delivers a strong natural dose of niacin while also offering omega-3 fats that reduce stiffness in the legs. Turkey breast, about half a cup diced, is another classic American staple and one of the most concentrated food forms of B3. Even a simple 2-tablespoon scoop of peanut butter, something almost everyone has in their pantry, provides niacin that supports energy release during walking or climbing stairs. What's remarkable about niacin is that it doesn't work in isolation. It fuels the process that allows your muscles to pull oxygen from blood and convert it into movement. When blood flow improves, your legs feel less cold, less heavy, and less prone to cramping at night because your muscle fibers finally get the oxygen they've been starved of. Seniors who struggle with leg stiffness often think they just need more stretching or more protein, but without circulation, none of that gets delivered where it needs to go. Niacin is like unclogging the highway before sending the trucks, and here's something you can use immediately. Taking niacin after a warm shower slightly increases its impact because your blood vessels are already relaxed from the heat. The warmth from the shower plus the natural vasodilation from niacin combine into a stronger boost in leg circulation. Most people never consider timing, but for older adults who feel their legs cool down quickly, this tiny adjustment makes a real difference. Another surprising trick is pairing niacin-rich foods with 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Americans are so used to dry, low-fat meals for health, yet a small amount of healthy fat actually helps your body absorb niacin more steadily, resulting in a longer-lasting effect on blood flow. This becomes especially important in the evening, when leg circulation naturally slows down, so when you bring niacin into your routine, whether through salmon, turkey, peanuts, or a low-dose supplement, you're not just taking a vitamin. You're improving the very system that brings life into your muscles. And after 60, good blood flow isn't just comforting. It's the foundation that determines whether your legs stay strong or continue to fade. 2. Vitamin E. With age, inflammation slowly becomes the enemy of every muscle in the lower body, and most older Americans don't realize how much of that inflammation settles directly into the legs. Vitamin E stands out because it protects the outer layer of your muscle cells, giving them the stability they need to contract with strength rather than fatigue. What makes vitamin E so unique is its ability to guard the cell membranes from oxidative stress, the type of internal rusting that makes your legs feel heavy after just a few steps. When these membranes stay intact, your muscles hold their energy longer and recover with less soreness. Researchers from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition observed that seniors with adequate vitamin E levels demonstrated better leg performance. Revealing how strongly this nutrient influences mobility, most store-bought vitamin E capsules contain about 15 milligrams, which is a familiar daily amount. But foods rich in vitamin E bring something supplements can't. They deliver the vitamin packaged with natural fats, making absorption far smoother. Sunflower seeds, just 2 tablespoons, is one of the richest American pantry sources. Almonds, whether eaten as a quarter-cup snack or blended into a breakfast shake, are equally powerful. Spinach, especially when sautéed lightly with a teaspoon of oil, supplies vitamin E while also offering magnesium that relaxes muscles. And wheat germ oil, although old-fashioned, remains one of the highest natural sources. Even a half teaspoon mixed into oatmeal gives the legs a quick anti-inflammatory lift. What makes vitamin E particularly valuable for seniors is the way it calms the inner lining of blood vessels. When those linings are irritated, blood moves through them more sluggishly, which leaves your legs feeling underpowered. Once inflammation eases, blood flows more freely, giving your muscles smoother access to oxygen. You can literally feel the difference during activities like climbing the porch steps or rising from the couch. Your legs respond quicker and without that uncomfortable burn. Because vitamin E is fat-soluble, the small choices you make around meals can either strengthen or weaken its effect. For example, Americans often eat nuts straight from the pantry, but many don't know that storing them in the freezer preserves vitamin E far better than leaving them exposed to warm air. When nuts oxidize, the vitamin E deteriorates. Keeping a frozen bag of almonds or sunflower seeds not only protects the nutrient, it also gives you a crisp, refreshing snack that many older adults find easier to digest. Also, eating your vitamin E foods near your biggest meal of the day, often dinner for American families, helps your body deliver that vitamin directly into your bloodstream because your digestive system is already working at full capacity. Vitamin E becomes a quiet but powerful defender of your legs. It doesn't just reduce inflammation, it preserves the strength of the muscle cells you still have and slows the rate at which they age. When you consistently bring vitamin E into your meals, you create a protective barrier that keeps your legs capable, steady, and ready to carry you without hesitation. 3. Vitamin C. Vitamin C may be famous for its role in immunity, but for anyone over 60, it becomes the backbone of leg strength because of its influence on collagen, the structural material that holds your tendons, ligaments, and blood vessels together. Without enough vitamin C, collagen production slows, and the first areas to feel that weakness are the muscles of the legs. The fascinating part is that vitamin C supports both the flexibility of your blood vessels and the resilience of the connective tissues that stabilize your knees and ankles. Harvard's T.H. Chan School of Public Health highlighted that older adults with higher vitamin C intake demonstrated better vascular responsiveness, showing how this nutrient helps blood vessels stay elastic rather than stiff. When you consume 75 to 90 milligrams a day, amounts found in most multivitamins, the body uses vitamin C to rebuild the scaffolding inside your blood vessels. But the real power comes from food sources, because vitamin C from whole foods is absorbed in a controlled, steady way. A single cup of strawberries delivers enough vitamin C to support collagen for the day. One bell pepper, whether chopped into a salad or roasted, contains more vitamin C than an orange and stays stable even when refrigerated for a week. Broccoli, when eaten lightly steamed, keeps enough of its vitamin C to support both vascular health and muscle recovery. And kiwi, a fruit Americans often overlook, provides a concentrated dose in just one piece about the size of your palm. Vitamin C also helps your legs generate nitric oxide, a compound that relaxes the vessel walls so blood can travel more easily to your calves and thighs. Better circulation doesn't just warm the legs, it makes them respond faster during movement and reduces the strain on your joints. Seniors with low vitamin C often experience tight calves or poor balance because weak collagen can no longer stabilize the feet and ankles. Once collagen production increases, those tissues become more flexible, reducing discomfort when walking across hard floors or standing for long periods. Heat can destroy vitamin C, so the way you prepare your food matters more than most people realize. Eating peppers raw, adding sliced strawberries to a half cup of oatmeal, or tossing fresh broccoli into a cold salad preserves more vitamin C than cooking. What surprises many older Americans is that pairing vitamin C-rich foods with iron-containing foods dramatically improves oxygen delivery. For instance, adding 2 tablespoons of diced bell pepper into a spinach omelet increases iron absorption from the spinach, which strengthens red blood cell function. More iron absorbed means more oxygen delivered to your legs with each step you take. Another practical detail worth using is storage. Vitamin C degrades when exposed to air, so keeping fruits like strawberries in a sealed container prevents loss of potency. Even something as simple as cutting fruit only when you're ready to eat it can preserve the vitamin's impact on your leg strength. Vitamin C doesn't act like a stimulant or a temporary boost. Instead, it repairs the physical structure that supports your legs, protects your blood vessels from stiffening, and helps your muscles stay responsive. And for anyone over 60, structural strength is what determines whether your legs feel dependable or unstable. If you found real value in today's breakdown, make sure you hit subscribe, tap like, and especially share this video with someone who needs stronger circulation right now, because you never know whose health you might save. And if there's any topic you want me to cover next, just drop it in the comments below. To sum up, ignoring these circulation-supporting vitamins as you age can silently accelerate stiff arteries, colder feet, nighttime cramps, and the kind of slow muscle loss that makes walking feel harder every single year. But giving your body what it needs today can completely change the way your legs feel tomorrow, keeping your independence, balance, and mobility intact. And now, let me leave you with one question. What if the next simple habit you learn is the one that finally transforms your circulation for good? While waiting for the next video, watch the one on your screen to gain even more tools to protect your long-term health.